Please subscribe and ring the bell.
Okay, now that we have our Maker 3 out of the box and we are now ready to get on our computer or phone or iPad and get this set up. So you want to open up your search engine. Then you want to go to the top and you want to search cricut.com/setup. And then what you want to do is click Agree Terms and click on Download. And it's going to download the app for you. Okay, and then you want to open the app, and then you want to make sure on an Apple, you want to make sure that the Cricut Design Space install goes to your applications. Now the same goes if you have a PC. You just open up your search engine and go to www.cricut.com/setup. Then agree to terms and hit download for Windows. And you'll see it downloading here on the bottom left-hand corner. Once it's downloaded, then go ahead and click on the icon and click on Run, and it will install. And this process may take a few minutes depending on the speed of your computer. Now click on this paper icon down here, and if you have never owned a Cricut machine before, then click on Product Setup, and it will ask you to input your information here. And if this is just a new machine, then go ahead and click Sign In. Once you're signed in, then you click up here on the 3 lines and click on New Product Setup. Then you click on Smart Cutting Machine and click on the machine that you have, and then it's going to walk through the same thing as on the Apple. Now if you're on a phone or an iPad, then what you end up doing is going to your App Store and searching for Cricut Design Space, and go ahead and download it here. And this is a free app. Then go ahead and open. And again, if you have never used a Cricut machine, then go ahead and click on Machine Setup. Or if you've already purchased a machine in the past and have an account, go ahead and sign in. And click on your machine. And then I will show you how to connect your phone or iPad to your Cricut via Bluetooth. To connect your Cricut to Bluetooth, make sure the power of your Cricut is on, and then go to your settings on your phone or your iPad. Then click on Bluetooth and scroll down, and you should be able to see whether it's on the very bottom if you have never connected, or in the middle, and mine is this one here, the Maker 3 28AF. If you click on that, you will see the power button on the Cricut go from white to blue, and that indicates that it is on Bluetooth. And now you're connected wirelessly. Then what you do is click on the 3 lines over here. Then you say New Product Setup. Then you click on the machine, and now it's going to start getting the setup started. So first, clear 10 inches of space behind your Cricut. Then you want to plug in your cords. Now you want to plug your maker into your device. Now once you've done these 3 steps, then you click on the continue. And now it's going to update your app. And then you click update. Okay, then you'll hear the maker starting up, and then you click on next. Then I'm registering my Cricut. Then you hit agree and hit register, hit next. And then you can either start the free trial if you want, or say no thanks. And now you get to make a sticker. I'm gonna go ahead and do the mountain. We're gonna hit next. Make sure your blade is in place. Make sure your vinyl is under the rollers. Click the flashing load unload button. And now it's going to start cutting.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.